NBC29 forecast.
A beautiful sight, not only the J611, but a sunrise this morning. This captured by Kenneth Johnston at Afton. We started with a little bit of sun, and then those clouds certainly filled back in. Here's a nice shot this morning of the sunrise captured by Warren Fault, and those are crepuscular rays, the sunbeams. And so it was a beautiful start, and then a lot of clouds lingered. We've had filtered sunshine throughout the course of the day. Still mild, 78 currently at the airport. The airport did touch 81. Most of us held in the 70s. We still have southerly winds out ahead of our cold front. Currently in the valley, 73, mostly cloudy skies, made it to 76 for a high today. 73 currently there in Palmyra, 70 in Louisa, 75 in Madison, 73 in Livingston, and 71 currently in Waynesboro. Here's a look at the satellite radar combination, some filtered cloudiness. We do have showers out to the west. They will try and push eastbound this evening into tonight and early tomorrow, but I don't think we're going to see much rain. Yes, there will be a few, and some will get some rain. Others may be left out. Right now, there's not a whole lot to see on the radar. There have been a few showers up in northwest of Broadway, and those are headed up the I-81 corridor into Shenandoah County. Temperatures here tonight in the mid to upper 50s. We'll hold on to the clouds. A few showers, but not everyone sees that activity. And then tomorrow we'll start to clear out. So if you're headed to the game at Scott Stadium at noon, mid 60s, it will be cool and with a gusty wind out of the northwest, gust over 20. It'll be breezy throughout the day. Temperatures at fourth quarter in the upper 60s. So we'll likely peak out around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon with our highs. Then they'll remain steady or fall back. But again, gusty northwesterly winds, gusting over 20, 25 miles an hour, taking us into the afternoon. And so no 70s or 80s here this weekend. October chills make a return. Temperatures early Sunday morning will be down in the low 40s, some upper 30s for some, but it'll still be breezy. That'll preclude any frost. That may not be the case early Monday morning. And then Sunday, upper 50s to the west, low 60s across central Virginia. So here's our front back to the west. It'll come through by morning. The cooler air is back towards Chicago, and you can see that with the regional temperatures. Most of us are still in the 70s, and then you get back up towards Chicago, back into Illinois and up into Iowa. Temperatures are in the 50s. And so that's the cooler air that settles in for the weekend, and it'll take up residents, taking us into the middle of next week. So below average temperatures as we look and make that transition. As real quickly, what was Tropical Storm Philip is now post-tropical. There's Bermuda, and you can't see the center. There's an actual weak area of low pressure off to the west, but this feature is going to merge. It's still going to bring heavy rain up into New England, Maine, Nova Scotia, Atlantic Canada. That was an area hit about 2 weeks ago with the rain and wind from Ophelia. So here we are later tonight, a few showers taking us into early tomorrow morning, and then say after 8 o'clock or so, it's out of here. The clouds depart, the winds pick up, clearing skies, temperatures in the 60s. We'll start early Sunday morning in the upper 30s and low 40s, but it's still breezy throughout the day on Sunday. Sunday's highs upper 50s and low 60s. Those winds will likely calm down into Monday morning, making for a colder start and some patchy frost, especially out to the west. Mostly cloudy tonight, just a few spotty showers taking us into tomorrow morning, then clearing and breezy. We go from the October warmth to the October chill as advertised, and that chill will hang around for a while into at least the middle portion of next week. And because we're not expecting a whole lot of rain this go around, we have to wait until next Friday into next weekend for our next chance of any rain.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.